This is Mr. Veszpeller, and today's lesson is Unit 1, Lesson 5. I will do some of the lessons just to help the parents at home. We did this one in class. Let's start with number 2. Rebecca has 3 pairs of running shoes. She bought new laces for each pair. How many shoelaces did she buy? I've been showing students to use the letters C-U-B-E-S to help them with word problems. The C stands for circle. Circle the numbers. Here we circled the 14 and the 2. Here there's a hidden information, a hidden number, and that isn't pairs. Pairs means 2. So we circle that one. U stands for underline. We underline the question. How many shoelaces did she buy? B stands for box. We're going to box the important terms, and we're going to box anything that gives us a clue as to which operation we're going to use. We're going to, the kids know that they should box each because that tells us to either multiply or divide. And we're going to box shoelaces because that tells us what to label the answer. All right, that's about it. Those are the essential informations on cube. E stands for eliminate any unnecessary information. So far there is not any unnecessary information. So we skip to the S, which is to solve. All right, what do we know? 3 pairs of running shoes. Each means to multiply or divide. Well, if our answer is going to be bigger than 3, then we know to multiply. It's going to be a big number. So it's 3 pairs, 3 times 2, and then you just count by 2s. 2, 1 group, 4, 6, and then we stop. 2, 4, 6. So we have 3 pairs. How many shoelaces did she buy? She bought 6 shoelaces. Okay. Jason served his family dinner. He put 5 carrots, we circle the information, 5 carrots on each of 4 plates. So that's the C, we circled it. Underline the question. How many carrots did Jason serve in all? We're going to box in each, that tells us to multiply or divide. Carrots is our label. It comes right, notice, it comes right after the question, how many? And then carrots will be our label. And then some students will say in all means either add or multiply. Add or multiply. So 5 carrots on 4 plates. So if our number is going to be bigger than 5, then it's multiplication. If it's going to be smaller, that means we're dividing. So 5 carrots in all means to multiply 5 carrots on 4 plates equals 20, and what's our label is carrots. All right, if you're going to do a drawing, the students know that there's 4 groups, 4 plates. So the plates is the group, it's the holder of the item. There's 4 plates. And then we place 5 carrots on each plate. So 5 carrots in each group. So we know the size of the group is 5. The number of groups is 4. So now you can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, let's skip to number 6. There are 12 eggs in a carton. They were arranged in 2 rows with the same number of eggs in each row. We're going to box in the word row because that tells us it's an array. it's not an equal shares group like this, but it's going to be an array. And I'll tell you what an array is. There's the same number in each row. Each means to divide or to multiply. We underline the question, how many eggs are in each row. We're going to box the important terms, which is each, row, and then eggs is going to be our label. Nothing to eliminate, now we solve. So there's 12 eggs in a carton. They are arranged in 2 rows. How many in each row? Are there going to be more than 12 in each row? No. So if our answer is smaller, than what we started with, then we know we're going to divide. And we put our total in front, and we're going to divide by 2. Now we just count by 2s, 2 until we get to 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Stop. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Now let me tell you what an array is. An array is when we have groups, rows and columns. The rows are usually going this way, the columns are going this way. Or they tell you the rows, there's 2 rows, 1, 2. These are the rows. Now they tell you there's 12 altogether. So let's just keep putting eggs in a row until we get to 12. Well, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so now we have 12, and they're in 2 rows. 1, 2, not a very straight row. We have 2 rows. And how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 in each row. And that's how we get the 12. We make a little box. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. These are the rows, and this tells you that there's 6 in each row. All right? Hope that helps. Thank you.